Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hakasngi ka bakhado jong kejela kai ke bala penyat da ke Reliance Foundation Youth Sports. Banyak ni ya kanam lado ke bala perlong henen kasngi ke siterik benai risau Raja Katra. Lawan ban Sakhi langru da ke chairperson jong ke company Reliance ke Nita, Ambani ringkat utung shop bapau ke Bollywood Ujan Abraham. Ubolong ru utrai jong ke kenhon ilakai football North East United Football Club. Haba pasha ke lempung ilakai football ke jekon na kaliang jong ki senrang. Kenalong hapadang ke kenhon jong ke Shillong College persya ke Sinat College. Hakaba ke Shillong College kala pelim no ke Sinat College hadu unrip gol lanot. Bat haka jekon jong ki kentaipan ke Nongkrem Presbyterian Secondary School kala perem no ke Nongkrem High Secondary School da ar gol lanot. Yaki kusnam syaki kenhon berjob lasam da ke Nita Ambani ringkat Ujan Abraham. Ringkat ke Jason Ranlang Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kisama Menteri Ketnat Sports and Youth Affairs Kejela Ubak Bantai Dorlingdo ke Director jong Ketnat Sports and Youth Affairs jong Kejela Ikong Matsiudor War Nongbri bat kiwi-kiwi de ki officer sorka.
the impetus is going to be in sports and building infrastructure for sports. He's also favorable with John talking about building a sports academy in Meghalaya, which would be wonderful. And of course now with the national games coming up in 2022, we are all, the whole nation is excited and looking towards Meghalaya for this large sporting event. We've already reached out to 109 schools have participated this year in from Meghalaya alone. And I think this place is so rich in talent. We have a young 12-year-old as a young champ from Meghalaya. We fondly call him Tank. And he's a wonderful player. He's one of our young champs. This time for ISL alone, we have 55 players from Northeast. So this just shows there's so much talent, and the passion and enthusiasm for football here is something so heartwarming and so wonderful to see. I think sports and education are something that Reliance Foundation is very keen to participate. So, and for me, they are my two passions. We would love to help in the building infrastructure of schools in the Northeast and in Meghalaya. You know what is really is here, all you can see the girls team playing and you can see the support that they are getting, and I believe all of you all support football, so keep on supporting football in the Northeast. It's so wonderful to see this kind of support that comes from the women.
Shillong is like one of the strongest centers of football in the country, and I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma, and he's going to help me look out for land so I can start my academy for Northeast United FC. We can set up the meeting, identify a place to start an academy. The idea is to train children, boys and girls, educate them, boarding, housing, lodging, and everything. So it's a very serious. It's very serious. It's a serious business. Open it up all over, right? But we've got one where we're starting in Guwahati, now Shillong, and then we want to do something in Imphal, Aizawl, and so on and so forth, and look everywhere else. To all the seven sisters and the one little brother. This is Ambani is doing through Reliance Foundation Youth Sports is absolutely fantastic. It's required for private enterprise to come in and do this, so it's fantastic, and we're really grateful to her for doing, for investing into the youth, into sport, because that's the future of the country.